Before we begin this video, I just wanted to say we have recently hit 300 subscribers on YouTube. And I wanted to say thank you all so much. This means a lot to me. I never thought I'd get so many subscribers, so thank you all so much for that. So this video, this is every horn I've been able to capture and the bells too. So this most likely will feature mostly freight trains, but I'll check my camera roll and I'll see what I'm able to get. So enjoy the video.